Hi folks, welcome to Whittier College. I'm Professor Rosemary Carbine, an Associate Professor of Religious Studies here at Whittier College. My research interests focus on the interrelationships of religion with gender, sexuality, politics, and social and eco-justice, and their impacts on the understandings of the person and of society. I specialize in Christianity, particularly Christian liberation theology, feminist theology, and public theology, with particular attention to religious understandings of the person and to connections between the personal and political. My training and my scholarship integrate with my teaching at Whittier. I offer a range of classes as listed on the right-hand side of the slide on religious diversity in America, early Christian communities, as well as global Christianities, women and religion, liberation theologies in the United States and Latin America, White, Latinx, and Asian American feminist theologies, African American womanist theology, religion and asceticism, ecology, social justice movements, US politics, and feminist theory. My classes are cross-listed with and serve many interdisciplinary programs at Whittier, such as Africana and Black studies, environmental studies, gender studies, global and cultural studies, and Latinx studies. In terms of my positionality, I identify as North American, a US citizen with Eastern European heritage. I am now middle class, but come from and was raised in a low wealth working class background in central New Jersey on the East Coast of the United States. I also am a first generation college student. I earned my college degree at Georgetown University in Washington, DC, and then earned my master's and PhD at the University of Chicago in Illinois. I also identify as white, cisgender, heterosexual, and a mostly able-bodied woman. And I actively strive to build allyship with students of color, as well as with LGBTQIA and undocumented students at Whittier College. Whittier College strives to assist students with developing the capacity to entertain multiple perspectives and interpretations of the world. Whittier College also aims to assist students with developing an understanding of world culture and the relationship of culture to diverse peoples in different historical, social, and global contexts. As stated in its mission, Whittier College is a residential four-year liberal arts institution that prepares students from diverse backgrounds to excel in a complex global society. Through challenging interactive courses taught by accomplished professors, students learn at Whittier to make connections across disciplines, to understand cultural perspectives, and integrate learning with practical application. Inspired by a Quaker heritage, the Whittier education equips students to be active citizens and effective communicators who embrace diversity and act with integrity. My freshman writing seminar, INTD 100 course, enacts many of the aspects of the Whittier College mission. My course, INTD 100, is titled Green Religion, and this course meets Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 11 to 11:50. This course examines global religious responses and movements to various ecological crises in different religious traditions, particularly in indigenous religions, Hinduism, Buddhism, Confucianism, Taoism, Judaism, Islam, and Christianity. In this course, we will explore and compare global ecological theologies and imaginaries in these religious traditions, and we will centralize how women in some of these traditions address the intersections of gender, race, class, and eco-justice. Throughout this course, we will attend to the theological anthropologies, that is, the religious understandings of the human person, which inform and influence both distorted relationships between human and other than human earthly life, and religious ecological activism to reconfigure these relationships for gender and eco-justice, that is, for the common and cosmic good. So to summarize, Green Religion focuses on how religious beliefs and practices contribute to an ecological imaginary with ethical, social, and political implications for the communities that both humans and other than humans encompass. The course examines different contemporary world religious cultures of ecological justice by comparing and contrasting these cultures with attention in some tradition to how women critically reconstruct these same traditions and practices, especially but not only about the human person, for social as well as ecological solidarity movements. This course begins during orientation. So INTD 100 Green Religion also incorporates a summer reading and viewing assignment to be completed and submitted prior to orientation in late August. So our course will start during orientation when we will meet to discuss, among other topics, the summer reading and viewing assignment that I have specifically designed for our course. Please watch the film Searching for Sacred Mountain, which is available at this hyperlink on the slide. Note, you will need to enter your MyWhittier username and password to view this film. And also, please read Mapping Shangrila, Chapter 8 from this book. Particular excerpts and pages will be highlighted for you to read. To prepare for our meeting during orientation, please view the film, read the excerpts from the chapter, and write and submit a short paper, which I will describe and detail in an email to the class. In the meantime, you may review the film guide, which is available also at this hyperlink on the slide. Again, you will need to enter your MyWhittier username and password to view both the film and the film guide. So welcome to Whittier. Welcome to what I hope will turn into an exciting 4 years of your life of getting engaged and involved, finding and feeding and following your interests, and examining and clarifying your worldviews through study abroad, through undergraduate research, community engagement, and much more. I'm delighted to get to know you and hopefully to get to work with you in this course, INTD 100 Green Religion, or in a future course. Take good care.